God is telling you, my dear child, a new chapter of opportunity and growth is about to begin in your life. You have been praying for wealth and prosperity for yourself and your whole family, for guidance, and the universe is providing for all of your needs in perfect timing. Take a moment to recognize that you should not worry, since you are in good hands. Make the most of the here and now and have a lovely day. Every single time you overcame a challenging situation, you emerged stronger. Then, before you discovered that obstacles are simply opportunities to improve you are being prepared to ascend into higher states of consciousness by expanding your soul. A fresh chance at life as a result of your daily choices to become an improved version of yourself. Show appreciation for the day ahead. Is a fortunate day. If you could see into the future, you would be grinning from ear to enhance your inner dialogue with everyday self-discipline to think optimistically. And don't be too hard on yourself. Pushing yourself outside of your comfort zone is going to pay off in ways that you won't believe. Every moment you have is an opportunity to grow as a person, even when you make mistakes. The mistakes you made help you achieve your objectives in a highly beneficial and transformational way. Right now, energy is entering your life. Have faith that the cosmos is eliminating negative from your surroundings to make room for something amazing. You are improving your frequency, increasing daily. Never limit your potential. If you realized that the best thing in life is to simply smile and allow a profound sense of fill your thoughts with the GR mindset and unwind, a divine alignment is taking place. Your life is really benefiting from the inner work you are undertaking. You are going to experience pleasant things because of the positive energy you are flooding the world with. Faith that everything is conspiring to your advantage. Nothing needs to be forced. As you develop, what is meant to be will happen. You discover inner serenity since your surroundings reflect this, guys. It is amazing how far you have come this year. Type 1111 to affirm this message. You are doing more in a year than the majority of individuals do in their lifetimes. Shouldn't be happy of the person you are becoming. Don't be too hard on yourself when you make mistakes. Make your inner dialogue upbeat and encouraging, and express your desires aloud. To materialize when you radiate thankfulness, your world changes into riches. Be ready for a tremendous benefit to come into your life. Been putting in effort to become the greatest version of themselves by turning up each and every day. You are putting up a lot of work, and the universe is about to reward you greatly. Surprise! As you proceed, don't worry about how your dreams will come true. With faith, seemingly shut doors will open to let you get all you need. Is approaching. Your constructive self-talk fosters a sense of inner tranquility that you are connecting with higher energy through everyone you come into contact with. Daily awareness of this higher condition of being is drawing astounding changes in which you relinquished your former self and created room for magnificence. Acknowledge your own progress, your optimism, and your gratitude for life. Moves mountains. You can achieve anything you set your mind to. Please donate us $100 to support us. You are always investing money in your mind, words, and deeds. Turn into your greatest self, and it is paying off. Give yourself everything you have to the life you envision for yourself exists in your mind as though you are already that individual, as frequencies make up the entire cosmos. By assuming the role of the person you desire to be you as your inner world changes and you resonate higher every second that you have a choice, the outside world will reflect those changes. To focus on the good and ignore the bad vibes that are approaching you when someone attempts to vent or dump their energy on you. Don't be hesitant to set boundaries. Your energy is far too valuable to be sucked into the drama of others. Objectives need your whole attention. Put all into your intense dedication to optimism. And the daily improvement in your self-imaging is producing quantum steps in your life. Your optimism is attracting others and bending space and time. All you require to realize your goals and complete your, even if it might not feel like it, love always triumphs over fear in your life. As you enter your higher self, you draw attention to wonders. A significant change is occurring in your life. You are removing distractions and focusing intently on your objectives. Whatever they focus on what you want, and you'll create it in real life as though you already are. When you live as though you are the person you want to be, you create the universe you are prepared to accept. You've already attained your ideal state and draw miracles into your existence. Are drawing precisely what you require to realize your most profound objectives and wishes you to have changed the way you think and entered a higher frequency of expression of thankfulness for what is yet to materialize, because it is in the process. The cosmos is aware of your appreciation and is rewarding your improved mental condition. You can meet incredible new people. Welcome it every day when positive energies come into your life and negative energies depart. You are selecting constructive ideas, and you are devotedly blocking out drama is enhancing your life and drawing in significant opportunities that are bringing in abundance levels that enable you to truly have time free from setting your mind's eye focused on the world you envision living in, rather than the surrounding environment. A significant energetic shift occurs when you envision yourself already having achieved your dreams. Occurring in your life, you are surpassing cacophony and diversion in your surroundings to go further into your inner growth. The more powerful you become, more abundant on the outside, the more abundant you are inside. Every idea you have causes a reaction, and since you are thinking positively, the environment around you is reflecting that. This abundance, you are wealthy, and you have come incredibly far in this direction. Creating the life of your dreams requires a positive mindset, which is literally executing miracles. You gave up trying to have control over everything and made the decision to concentrate your emphasis solely on ideas and thoughts that are consistent with your higher self. There is something significant about these to take place that will reveal opportunities you were unaware ever existed. Class that you are not your past, you are elevated into a higher frequency and chapters of the past. Every second that goes by is an opportunity to reinvent yourself. Let your imagine yourself fully in control of your aspirations, pursuing as you embrace what is already yours. The dream pushes it away, and the universe moves mountains to provide all need for your limitless growth. Everything you want to create, your mind is magnetically charged. Need to bring your greatest aspirations and ambitions to reality. You choose to become your greatest self at this point, as you are acquiring more momentum, clarity, and confidence every day. You are already there within, so there's no need to worry about the how. You enjoy the day more when you act and view yourself as the person you want to be. You enjoy other people's victories more than your own, since you've been producing so many good into the cosmos, and as a result, your life is becoming significantly better. This uplifting vibe, your confidence in your skills is becoming greater every day. If something doesn't align with your bigger purpose, let it go and continue to have faith in your dreams, since the cosmos is working wonders in your life. Your faith is giving you such a deep sense of inner tranquility that you realized there is so much more to life than just working and earning money, as you discovered. Increased contentment via achieving inner serenity and discovering a profound sense of tolerance. The easier it is for your desires and goals to come true during this process, the less you force things, the easier life is becoming for you. You've come a long way in this year, and this month your daily will see the world reward your persistence. A tremendous wave is about to be unleashed by a dedication to improving every day. Of material prosperity, remain open to miracles and keep your eyes on the more work you invest in this month, the more abundance you will have. We'll draw you in since you're so fortunate to have a chance that could change your life coming up. How you are deliberately choosing to focus on good ideas and ignore these internal changes are changing the things you attract when you engage in negative self-talk. By speaking and thinking exclusively in positive terms, you manifest good things very quickly. You've turned into a magnet for abundance while warding off negativity. You have endured a great deal to reach this point. Whatever you persevere and remain dedicated to reaching your full potential. Even when everything seemed to be against you, you actively shape your reality. Shutting off the outer world and creating the wonderful concepts and thoughts in your mind inside the realm of your fantasies. Miracles are realizing how far you have come this year is amazing. You are a completely different person. Individual than you were a year ago, and your dedication to improving each day is bringing about profound changes at the core of who you are. When you change, your outward reality is compelled to mirror your interior reality. Changes when you choose to have dreams-oriented ideas, and those dreams come true. Your greatest achievements are occurring more quickly when you overcome fear. Inner healing and profound serenity. You have nothing to fear from anything. Even when things in your life appear chaotic, they are actually part of a divine plan. You are continuing to radiate optimism and love on a frequency that is glowing in the deepest recesses to aid in humanity's awakening. While you mend yourself and draw upon your greater potential, you establish a transformative lighthouse. For the unease in the globe always precedes a big change. Much like a caterpillar must go through discomfort in order to grow into a stunning butterfly. Before you blossom, your growth journey will seem unpleasant. Instead of celebrating discomfort, attempting to avoid all of the difficulties and opposition you are now encountering is going to pay off. A potent spiritual experience is just moments away. Transformation. Believe in the process, and God will make it happen. He says to you today that I'm making arrangements for you, child. I can see all of your tears. I hear every prayer you say. Please allow me to love you the way you deserve to be loved. Hold on, don't give up. If you let me, I'll take away all of your heart suffering. God is telling you now, I'm always with you. For every cry and every nightmarish moment, angels have been dispatched to clear the night, and there is a blessing. This too shall pass. The suffering you're going through won't be comparable to the joy that will arrive. God is telling us that while sorrow may last a night, joy arrives in the morning. You must adapt to the times we live in. Do not return to the previous state of affairs. You have to start altering in order to change, and that starts right now, at this very moment. I'll arrange your steps while I'm leading you in the correct direction, but God is telling you today that you may trust, but you have to get up. I have supported you through every trial you have encountered in life. You can always rely on me, no matter how difficult your present circumstances may seem. Challenging right now, but have patience and faith in my timing. Things will change soon. God is telling you, don't worry, I won't abandon you. Your answer is coming. You had a difficult day, but you persevered because I gave you the strength to. You were frequently ignorant that I was going to leave you when your circumstances they wrote you off after you changed, but you didn't simply weather the storm, you prospered in it, which is what makes you special. I didn't make you to be like other people, instead, I intentionally made you stand out. You are going to experience blessings. Go off on an adventure you never would have thought was conceivable, and accept it. In my God is telling you, name, that the fight is mine, not yours. When you want to give up and find it difficult to get back up, keep in mind that I am the source of your strength. Don't ever give up. I have incredible things in God is telling you in store, that I will keep all of my promises today. The things I have spoken to you about are about to happen. And I am now releasing you from. I am aligning you in this new season of your life to break the chains that have kept you back. Life. Remain near me and observe my movements in the midst of the storms. The universe is asking you to follow the perfect path that is easily unfolding for you. Give up, have faith in the process, ignore how difficult it may appear, and concentrate. Don't worry about how everything is coming together on the next step ahead. Everything that is designed for you are effortlessly entering your life. And all that is preventing you from doing so is benefiting you in every way, because you've changed so much this year. The quick development you are going through is evidence of your optimistic outlook from the minute you realized what you set out to improve yourself every day and work toward becoming. The universe aligned this frequency with the lessons of blessings in life. God, hope this message has been an inspiration to you. If you liked it, please write amen and share this message with someone who also needs to hear it. I invite you to click on the first comment where you will find a special prayer, the second best manifestation offer in the world. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content like this. Until tomorrow.